Hey, this is Scott here with the Brother CS-6000i sewing machine again. This will be my first attempt to wind a bobbin. With sewing machines, they have two thread sources, and there's one that goes down in this area here. They use a bobbin, put some thread on it, you stick it down there. So all machines are designed to wind some thread on here, and I'll show you that. Like I said, it's my first attempt ever, so we'll see how it goes. Just have some white thread. This thing here is where you put your thread. You have to pull it out, locks into place, and you want your thread line from the instructions on this side. You wrap it around the pretension loop over here. So then you've got your thread, and you want to put the thread from the inside through one of the bobbin holes. So we've got that. I'll leave some extra, as we'll see later what it does. Here's a little notch on your bobbin winder. There is also a notch on your bobbin, so you can line those up. Locks into place. Then you push this entire thing over, so that means the machine is set up to wind a bobbin instead of just run itself. So you're going to hold on to this string, and then you just press, you turn the machine on, of course. So I'm going to hold on to this string and then press the go button. And then you can just cut this at this point, now that there's some thread on there. Probably not the best attempt so far to do this, but it looks like it might work. So I put the machine into full speed. So that looks decent. Then you can just slide it over. Now what they show in the instructions is that you want it to be pretty uniform in the bobbin. And that looks alright, I think. Then I'll just stick it in here and then follow the instructions to do that.